Hey, this is Lillian Green here. Today I'm going to do a video on 5 simple ways how to create content easy. I realize some people have a lot of, especially people who just start, they have a challenge of content creation. They don't know what to create it on. They don't know, sometimes they don't know how to create content. So I'm just going to do a little simple video just showing people how easy it is just to create content. So I'm going to share my screen and we're going to get right on to it. Okay. Okay. So here's 5 simple ways to make content creation easy. So I'm gonna cover scheduling time, keeping notes, varying your style, webinar and courses, and deliver value. So let's talk about schedule time first. Scheduling time. This is naturally one of the first things you should do. Figure out what works based on your own schedule. If you can dedicate an entire morning once a week, then use that time to create a couple of pieces of content that you can use when you have no time. Maybe you can schedule a half an hour to an hour each morning to create that day's content. It doesn't matter what day, what time, or how much time you schedule. It is important, though, to know that you have time dedicated to creating content to post on your Facebook, your blog, Google Plus, or whatever platform that you're using. Use this time wisely, and if you make a time commitment, keep out all distractions and stick to your time frame. You know, I work in a 15 to 30 minute interviews with a timer to let me know when it's time to move on to the next project. It just helped to compartmentalize my time, and you know, I'm able to get more work done that way. So let's just go over to, we're gonna go to number 2. Number 2 is keep notes. Now, I listen to a lot of inspirational information. I like to keep these ideas flowing when I write content for my audience. It's like more inspirational for me. It can really be challenging to come up with ideas on a daily or even a weekly basis. So if you run out of ideas, you can run out of ideas really before you know it. With all the technology out there today, with smartphones, laptops, PCs, it has never been easier to keep notes. So having somewhere to jot down your ideas and having an instant access to them is really helpful. So when you read a great quote or learn a new technique, write it down because it can help create better ideas. I have found it very helpful to use a source like Evernote or OneNote and have it open at all times. So when I'm working on my computer, you know, this way I can quickly make a note to that file when I have an idea that comes to me. And some of my most successful ideas have come from me going over these notes at the end of the day. Really helpful. Number 3 is varying your style. Now, there are more ways of creating content other than how-to articles or videos. Although there are a lot of topics to touch on, you can also run out of ideas, and quite quickly. So change your style up a little bit. Write an article for Monday, do a blog post on Wednesday, then film a video for Thursday, maybe do an interview on Saturday. There are so many different types of content out there that you can switch it up quite often and don't get bored. This helps twofold. It keeps you fresh and it helps with great idea generation. Secondly, your audience will appreciate the varied style. And number 4 is webinars and courses. So now, if you've ever been on a webinar or have taken a course to help grow your business, hopefully you have just been put in front of some valuable information. So take notes and use that information to create content from what you have just learned. This is one of my fail-safe methods that has never let me down. So I start off by taking a section of information, find out how relevant it can be to my audience, and then I break it into small segments of content. And once I have the chosen topic, it is simple as writing an article or filming a video. You know, this method is great because you know beforehand that your article has an audience. And number 5 is deliver value. See, content creation must deliver value if it's to be worth anything. The internet can be a fantastic medium as long as the information is entertaining, informative, interesting, and educational. You should always have your audience in mind when creating content. Now, if you have a mailing list, you can actively ask people what would they like to see as well. Make your next post a question, asking readers to contribute ideas. Even if your readership is small, you can probably get some really good feedback. Get your feelers out there. You never know where your next great idea will come from. So I hope this information will help you, and you can just to work on some of your content ideas. And if you need more information, just look for me on meetlilliangreen.com. I hope this has helped. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.